Dental insurance. What is best for me and my family? If there is one thing that we all can agree on, it is the fact that dental work is expensive. Let's face it. Many of us have been to the dentist and were shocked to see the bill. Even the most basic cleaning costs a great deal of money. This is why dental insurance is a necessity. Having dental insurance might mean the difference between reconsidering dental care and seeking the treatment you require. Since oral health care is linked to just about every type of illness and disease, you must get the best dental insurance for yourself and your family. Nobody wants to live with a mouth filled with cavities and gum problems. However, the hefty cost of dental care discourages people from getting crucial dental work done. But there is no need to worry because we have prepared the perfect video just for you. If you enjoy videos on investments, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. We want to help you pick out the best dental insurance plan so that you never have to stress out about your teeth ever again. Watch our entire video to find cheap dental insurance. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The basics of dental insurance. Before we cover how you can find amazing dental insurance plans, we want you to have a basic understanding of dental insurance. What is dental insurance? It is coverage for helping you pay for prescribed dental work. When you get dental insurance for seniors or any other type of dental insurance, you get insured for paying for all or part of the dental work performed by the dentist. The insurance policy helps pay for routine cleanings, x-rays, and even more complicated procedures like implants and full mouth reconstruction. Even though dental insurance might seem similar to health insurance, you can rest assured knowing that you have to pay a lower premium. How to find the best dental insurance? There are plenty of dental insurance companies to choose from. This can make it harder for you to select the best dental insurance plans for you and your family. The tips that we will mention will help point you in the right direction. 1. Look for group coverage. One of the best dental insurance tips that we swear by for families is finding group coverage. It will make your life a whole lot easier, as you would get your entire family insured for a fraction of the cost. Generally, most people have dental insurance through their employer or any other group coverage program like AARP or public programs such as Children's Health Insurance Program and Medicaid. It is still important that you consider your options by reviewing your employer-sponsored plan. Learn about different group plans offered by MetLife Dental, Delta Dental Insurance, or any other insurance company to find a group plan that is perfect for you and your family. Although the insurer might not offer a group plan, you can always negotiate group coverage for the entire family. It will help you save money big time. 2. Consider individual policies. If you cannot find the best dental insurance group coverage, you should consider individual policies. Even though individual policies can be more expensive, you can still expect to get a good deal when you approach the insurance company and request an individual plan for more people. You must review each dental insurance plan and get into the details. Find out how long you would need to wait before you will get coverage. Insurers use a variety of tactics to convince people to sign up for a plan. You need to find out what the waiting period is before you agree to any plan. If you require urgent dental care, you can opt for a plan that does not have a waiting period. However, it will cost more money. Compare between different policies to find one that is most suitable. Ask insurance companies to provide you with a quote and policy details so that you can make the right decision. 3. Find out which dentists are included. The next thing that you need to do is find out which dentists in your network are included in the dental insurance plan. If you know a good dentist in your area, you should ask the dentist about which insurance plan they accept. If you get an indemnity insurance plan, you would not need to find out about a particular dentist being included or not, as it would cover the dentist of your choice. However, other dental insurance plans restrict the dentists you can see. Therefore, you need to find out which dentists are included. But if you do not mind seeing a different dentist, you can focus on other details. Here at Money Trace, we've already done the heavy lifting and researched the best dental insurance partners for you. You can click right now on the description link below to get the best quotes. Just don't forget to come back for more essential tips. Generally, one should be wary about which dental insurance plan they sign up for. There have been reports of some in-network dentists recommending unnecessary procedures to generate more income. To avoid this, you should ask your neighbors, health professionals, and colleagues if they can recommend a dentist for you and your family. Then, you can learn more about the insurance plans those practitioners accept. 4. Know everything the policy covers. Finally, you need to find out everything the policy covers. You need to carefully review the policies to ensure that they cover the right dental expenses, both possible and expected emergency procedures. For example, you might require denture repairs, gum cleanings, root canals, tooth removals, fillings, x-rays, cleanings, and basic checkups. Keep in mind that serious procedures will be made available under the insurance plan in your second year. Calculate your out-of-pocket costs to decide which type of plan to get for you and your family. Benefits vary considerably and are quite limited. This is why you have to get into the details to ensure that you pay the right amount of money for maximum benefit. We are glad to know that you have made it this far. There is no denying that dental insurance is vital. Dental coverage ensures preventive care. Once you sign up for a plan, you will be more likely to visit the dentist, which will lead to better health. By following our advice, you can get the best insurance plan for your entire family. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!